Most Shopify owners think that they have a traffic problem, but they don't. They have a conversion problem. Across Shopify, the average conversion rate is under 3%, meaning every 100 people that visit your store, 97 walk away without buying anything. But here is the part nobody tells you. The top performing Shopify stores, they are converting at 4.7% or higher, using method that almost nobody talks about. I have audited hundreds of Shopify stores across 7 industries, and today I'm giving you the 10 fixes that reliably convert window shoppers into paying customers. No bluff, no hacks, just data-backed, revenue-proven strategies. Let's go. Alright, here is a quick definition of CTR. If 1000 people visit your store and 20 buy, that's 2% conversion. Shopify average 1.4 to 3%, right? High performance are 4.7% to above, which means they are literally doubling revenue. With the same traffic you already have, let's fix yours. Strategy number 1. Turn your product page into conversion machines. Your product page is the moment of truth. If it fails, nothing else matters. Start with visuals. People don't want to imagine your product. They want to see it. Crystal clear photos, close-ups, multiple angles, real people using it can benefit your conversion. But here is the biggest conversion booster. Your videos. Show the product solving problems. The buyers will imagine themselves in that moment. And Shopify gives you a secret weapon, 3D models. And your store instantly looks premium. Now copywriting. Stop writing like a manual. Don't say backpack is waterproof. Say your gear stays dry even in heavy rain. Write benefits over features. And if writing scares you, Shopify Sidekick rewrite your copy instantly. Your tone, your brand, zero effort. Strategy number 2, speed. Because slow stores bleed money. A 1-second delay can drop conversion by 7%. Let that sink in. Shopify use a global CDN, clones of your store across the world. Visitors always load the version closest to them. But you still need fast theme, web images, and under 2-second load time on mobile. If your store loads slower than your competitor, the sales goes to them, even if your product is better. Strategy number 3, navigation that sells. If people can't find what they want, they won't buy. Your menu should work like a tour guide, not a maze. Clean categories, clear filters, predictable layouts, auto-completing search. The faster they find it, the faster they buy it. Strategy number 4. Build trust like a top brand. People buy from store they trust, meaning your product page must show real evidences. Reviews, customer photos, video testimonials, unboxing clips, apps like Looks, Stamped.io, and your top make this effortless. And trust badges? They're tiny, barely make any space, but man, the impact they have on your buyer's brain, huge. Secure checkout, money back guarantee, fast shipping, these are the gold. Apps like Avada can add these in a minute. Strategy number 5, sticky CTAs equals more sales. Never ever make a customer scroll back up just to buy. Sticky add to cart keeps the button visible all the time. One extra click equal lose sales. One visible button equal instant buy. You got options. Use apps like SEO ants or build it yourself with code. Either way, your buttons get noticed and your site works smarter. Strategy number 6, personalization that feels magical. People converse when it feels like the store gets them. Loyalty programs, referral bonuses, birthday points, personalization recommendation engines, these increase AOV and repeat purchases. Dynamic content on homepage based on behaviors, huge conversion booster. Strategy number 7, checkout optimization. This is where you can win or lose. A complicated checkout is a crime. It kills conversion instantly. Start with the basic. Guest checkout, Shop Pay, Apple Pay, Google Pay, autofill everything, shortest possible form, mobile first layout, progress indicator. If checkout feels like paperwork, people leave. Make it effortless. Strategy number 8. Recover lost sales automatically. Abandoned cart aren't lost, they are unfinished. 70% abandonment rate overall. 85% on mobile. Send 1 hour reminder, 24-hour reminder, and also include what they left behind. Social proof, free shipping incentive, recovered sales are the easiest money you will ever have. Strategy number 9. Real-time support equals real-time sales. Live chat is a conversion machine. If you reply within 2 minutes, your sales can shoot through the roof. Use behavior-based trigger like customer hovering on a product page for 20 seconds, customer stalled a checkout, the pop-up with a friendly offer to help. It feels personal, it builds trust, and most importantly, it saves the sales before they bounce. Strategy number 10. CRO is a system, not a task. CRO or conversion rate optimization is basically the art of turning more visitors into buyers on your Shopify store. It's not a one and done thing, it's ongoing. Use tools like Hotjar, Clarity, watch Heatmap to see where people click or don't. Shopify Analytics. Spot exactly where visitors drop off. A/B test. Tweak headlines, CTAs, images, and see what converts better. Even tiny improvements add up over weeks and months. These small wins can totally transform your store's sales. These 10 strategies don't just improve your Shopify store, they will turn it into a high converting revenue focused machine. Small changes, massive results, and you can start today. If you want me to audit your store in the next episode, drop a comment below or you can mail us at info@ecomclips.com. Start tweaking, start selling, and watch your Shopify store crush it. So far, if you like this video, if you really feel that this type of strategies can improve your sales, subscribe our channel. We always drop videos about Shopify and website improvements. See you in the next episode. Peace.